My name's Phillip. I'm the general manager at Accent Roofing. I started at Accent Roofing because it's my family business. I left and joined the Army for a few years, also went to college, and eventually always came back to roofing. Accent Roofing is different for several reasons. We've really created an infrastructure that helps us to deliver the best contractor experience possible to our customers from start to finish. Part of that's our client service director in the office. That's somebody in the office that makes sure that all their questions are answered from start to finish and that there's never a gap in communication. Being craftsmen at our trade is especially important, especially in Georgia, a state where there's no barriers to entry, no licensing or insurance requirements. So it's important to us that we not only meet expectations, but surpass them. We want to raise the bar for our entire industry. The best way for us to do that is to take pride in each aspect of the job and to be craftsmen every day. A leaksmith is any representative at Accent Roofing that can look at the problem and determine if it's a full roof replacement or repair that's needed. A generational client is a client that we do business with one time and we do such a good job for them that we're basically their roofer for life, that they'll recommend us to friends, family, and any roofing needs that they have down the line. They'll also call us back so that we can take care of the problem. We've gotten to the point now where we've replaced roofs over 30 years ago, and people are starting to call us back and needing us to replace those same roofs, and Accent Roofing is usually their first call. Our guys are extremely experienced and they know how to do a roof repair. If a roof repair is going to solve your problem, they know how to take care of just that problem. Whereas other companies, all they can do is throw a whole new roof at you, and we can actually just go in and solve that individual problem. So when I say Accent Roofing is the top 0.01% of all roofing companies, what I mean is GAF Master Elite companies are the top 2% of all roofing companies in the nation. And we have what's called GAF President's Club, which is only 1% of the top 2%. So, we could say that we're the Chick-fil-A of roofing, just basically meaning that we're literally the best of the best in Georgia.